Hello.
What are we making
We're
today?
making a yummy orange rice.
Alright, so what do we got here?
So we just did vinegar oil.
So, I'm gonna turn it on hot and let it get hot. And then you put some what?
With some
Oil.
oil.
Not olive oil, regular vegetable oil. Okay?
Yeah, fresh.
Gotta put plenty of oil with the fried. Okay, we got our rice here. So bring the cup, we'll put it in the sink. Get the scissors.
Scissors.
Should have had this done. Okay, hold this.
Okay, this is a done to a cup of rice.
2 cups.
2 cups of rice. Sorry.
Or you could do 1. I'm gonna do cups. 2 cups. Okay. And you do 2 cups of rice. Okay. Let's trade.
Okay.
Pour it in.
Now we pour it just on the rice.
It's hot, right?
So make it cool down.
Not cool down. It's gonna get hot.
Get hot.
Okay, hold that with your left hand. And then you start stirring with the right. Okay. So while you're stirring, tell us a story. How's your day?
It's fine. I went to school to see my friends, and I dance a lot with my friends to prepare you with the yearbook. And that's my day. And now I'm home watching a show about animals.
Is that right?
Yes, and Dad was laughing so hard. Actually, beat his pants.
How come you're not on your phone?
Because yesterday
What happened?
I was not listening.
What'd you do?
Well, I tried to eat one out of part meatball. It's so good. But I started off have one meatball. And at lunch today, I had 2 meatballs.
No, how many? You had 3 meatballs.
3 meatballs for dinner.
And then you had another one.
No,
So how many did you have?
I said 2,
What's 3 plus 1?
4.
Alright, so okay, keep on mixing it.
Okay.
Okay, that's not mixing. Mixing is like this.
Oh.
Get the middle, move it around.
Right.
Okay, you're just going to the edges. You want to get the middle, move it around. Go. Hold the pan. Get the middle. Okay, so while she's doing that, this is what you got to get. Okay, this brand with tomato. That's the one you want. Not the chicken or the other one. Then we need 1 can of sauce. Okay, this is all you need right here. This is keep on mixing. Okay, that's good. We want to make sure these kids know they gotta get more. They gotta turn like white.
Oh.
Takes a while. All right.
It takes a while of rice. You got it, Gabala?
So you
Very
can
smart.
you can do it.
You can do it. I'm watching you. I'm watching you, Miss Lasky. I'm always watching you.
All right. This is on super high. Okay. The next time we'll put a little less oil, but it's still okay. It's getting there.
But take a while, my arm's
Push her
not
down.
tired.
Don't be a wimpy. You can do
I'm
this.
not.
Okay.
Take a workout for my arms. That's all. Get straight
Good.
arms.
It's almost there. All right. A little more. All right, go fill up the cup with water. So if you make 2 cups of rice, you got to put 4 cups of water. And if you put 1 cup of rice, you gotta put 2 cups of water, okay? So I like this to be a little more brown, but that's okay. Not yet. And when you pour it, it's gonna get really hot. But before we put it, I want to take some of that oil out. Okay? Yeah.
Here will be on video.
Okay. Get some oil out. All right, go for it.
Oh.
Go for it. Okay, do it again.
Oh, look at that.
Keep it on super high. Gotta get to a boil. So while she's getting another water, put it in. Okay. Next thing is can opener.
Ooh. Give
What
me a
is it?
cup.
Huh?
What's wet?
Okay. So Nina, what are you gonna do tonight?
Tonight I get my feast and watch a movie on Netflix with my special somebody Mimi.
Any special rice?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the can opener? The one that pops. Okay. We lost it. All right, here, hold it. I'll show you a technique.
Here's Mimi.
Okay. Kids, I'm a professional. Let me try this at home. You see that?
Yeah. I watch this. Don't do it at home. It's dangerous.
No, not too dangerous.
Not that dangerous.
Okay, so then for 1 little can of tomato sauce.
Sauce. Yummy sauce.
Costs like 50 cents.
50 cents. From Bel Air or Costco or something.
Yeah. All right, next. Secret ingredient.
This is my
Tomato.
dad tomato sauce.
Okay. This
Great.
one, you want to put like this much. Okay? It's very precise measurement. Okay, you want to mix it up now? Okay. All right. Stir. Bring to a boil. Stir, stir, stir. Now, when you make rice, sometimes the kind of pan you use makes a difference. I like to use the flat pan. Tomas likes to use the pot. I don't like that because it's too tall. I like it pan size. Okay. And then for some extra flavoring, I put a little bit of
Pepper.
garlic salt.
Okay, I think so.
Okay. There's a little bit of regular salt. And a little bit of,
Pepper.
hold it so I can turn it. A little bit of pepper. Okay. All right, keep mixing. Okay, we want this to boil. Okay. Once you make it boil, then you turn it on super low and you cover it with a lid, and you don't open it for like 25 minutes, right here.
Yes.
Don't even think about opening it. Because if you open it, you ruin it, right here.
I know how to
Is
do
it boiling? Keep mixing. Okay. Now, this is another professional trick. Okay. So, just to see if it's the right saltiness, you want to get a little tiny bit and blow, blow, blow. Because it'll burn your tongue. Yummy. Yep. Perfect. If you don't put enough of this, it won't be salty. We like it salty hot right now.
Yeah.
Right, is it boiling yet?
I think it's bubbly. See the bubble?
Yeah, it is boiling. Okay, we want it to be boiling for reals. Okay, so go ahead and put that away. Put it right here. You use it for later. Okay, It's boiling. Now we're gonna get the lid.
The lid.
Yeah. Okay. I need to pretend you're Patrick. Get the lid. No, that's not the lid. No, the lid. The lid. Nope. The lid. Nope. Okay. I don't think that's the right one. Got to be the right lid. Okay. So the now it's boiling. That's the boiling we want. Okay. So once you get the boiling, make sure it's a perfect seal, and put this on super low. And I'm talking like low. All right. And you leave that for 25 minutes.